What are you doing, Mackenzie? What'd you get? A present for what? Is it for your birthday? Good job. Oh, you might need help with that next part, huh? On to the next one.
Do you want some help, Mackenzie? I won't take it from you. I'll just help you.
Can Dad help you open? Oh, what's inside?
Want some help?
Can you say thank you, Grandma Bee? Can you take it out?
Oh, it's gonna spill all over our couch.
Should I help you?